Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Bridge with Premiere Pro. First, ensure both applications are installed and up to date on your system. Begin by opening Adobe Bridge to efficiently browse and organize all your media assets. This initial step is absolutely crucial for establishing a smooth and effective workflow between the two programs. Once Bridge is open, navigate through your folders to locate the specific video clips, images, or audio tracks you intend to incorporate into your Premiere Pro project. Once your files are selected in Bridge, there are two primary ways to import them into Premiere Pro. The most straightforward method is to simply drag and drop the selected media directly into the project panel within Premiere Pro. Alternatively, you can right-click on your chosen files in Bridge and select the Place in Adobe Premiere Pro option. Both methods will seamlessly bring your assets into your project, ready for your creative work. Adobe Bridge significantly streamlines your workflow by acting as a central hub for all your creative assets. Utilize its powerful search and filtering capabilities to quickly locate specific files. Applying metadata and keywords in Bridge further enhances organization, making future searches even more efficient. Previewing media directly in Bridge before importing saves valuable time and resources within Premiere Pro, ensuring you only bring in the assets you truly need. To maximize your efficiency, maintain consistent folder structures across all your projects. This makes finding assets much simpler. Regularly purging Bridge's cache ensures optimal performance and prevents slowdowns. Consider using Bridge's collections feature to group related assets for specific projects, providing a clear overview. Finally, always remember to save your Premiere Pro project immediately after importing new assets to prevent any loss of work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.